Your sixth graders finishing up their projects. Josie, what'd you make? What is that?
It's a metal holder shelf thing so I can hang medals and like put trophies on top.
What sport?
Figure skating.
Figure skating, cool. And then show us the back. So she's got little strips on there to space it off the wall. You're thinking about putting some lights around the back? So then it...
If I had time, because I still have to paint it.
Yep, so she's gonna paint it, put some lights on the back. Cool stuff, thanks for showing us. Zoe's making a like basketball storage thing. She's gonna do like the elastic lines there, and that's gonna be for her younger brother. What is your project?
It's a cat house.
Cat house. It's gonna be a cat house. You gotta do some painting on that, and yes, you can go to the art room. Jackson, what is your project, Jackson?
It's a hexagon shelf.
Hexagon shelf. So that's gonna go on the wall like that. Emma, what's your project? Oh yeah, ski rack. So if you look down here, that's where the bottom of the skis will go, and then that part's gonna go up there. And Sophia's got a heart shelf. Matthew, what is that?
Shoe shelf.
Shoe shelf. Henry, what is that? Dog bed with shoe storage. And if you look underneath here, one thing that's pretty cool is he did pocket hole to attach all that together. And Sadie, what is this gonna be? A plant shelf, so now point out some special features on your project. Nice and loud.
I have I used a laser cutter to etch on designs, and then I have a mountain one on the other side.
Another thing she did pocket hole, she did countersinking, used different types of wood here. We cut the plexiglass on the table saw, I think she did. But anyway, check that out. And then we got Levi here. Levi, this is like a shelf thing, right?
Plant shelf.
Plant shelf. And Adriana, Adriana made, oh, there you go. I thought you took it home. And then you let's see what you laser etched. So she laser etched a quote on there. That's for your computer, right? That turned out really good. We got, what else we got here? We got Sawyer. This is like a dog food dispenser. Dog feeder foodie thing.
Yeah,
and then this will spin, and then that's gonna let the food out. Brady, explain what you got here. Nice and loud.
This is a fishing rod holder. So this is going to store all my tackle boxes, and these little hook things. So you put your rod through this, and it'll get stuck right there, and it'll be secure.
What machine did you use to cut those?
Table saw, but for the little sort of J things, I use a scroll saw over there.
Good stuff. Hope, what is your project?
Oh yeah, I am making a fidget cube where like you can feel, sit on it, you know, if it's like you're tired or you're gaming. I don't know, whatever. But if you're doing, that's for the storage. You can like lift it up, like going days or something. Like, yeah, whatever. And
So it's kind of like a sensory cube almost, or a fidget cube. She's got all these different things you can kind of feel. I think you laser cut some shapes. So like go in like a plexiglass window kind of thing or something, right?
And
Maddie.
I also brought these space rock things. So yeah, you can form like cereal, but
So
you
we
shouldn't eat them.
we can eat them? You said we can eat them, they're tasty?
No, yeah, you can eat space
That's your
rocks.
lunch?
Space rocks taste good.
Good, that's good to know. Looks like cereal. Maddie, what did you make? What is this gonna be?
I made a little cat house.
A cat house. And then now,
Or a hat.
or a hat?
Yeah.
Would you like to show us what it looks like as a hat?
Yeah, if I can. Wait. Little hat.
It looks like a helmet that works for the left and right side of your head, but not the front or back. And then explain to us, how did you get these dowels in there? Because you did kind of a special thing.
Oh, well, I used the drill press and with a T-square, is that what it's called?
A T-square?
Yeah, where I do the line.
Oh yeah, so yep, you drew them all perfectly.
With 1 inch, I went for all sides, and then where they met, I put a hole there. I used the drill press to drill a hole. That was the size of these, on the top and the bottom.
Yeah, so one thing with the drill press is we did a setting where it only drilled like halfway through, so then the dowel sits in there nice and strong. Anyway, so there's your brief tour, kind of wrap up of class where we ended up. Again, this is all designed by the students. They did the engineering design process. They used the equipment themselves. So, signing off.